Today we're going to show you a slightly different yet very popular way to add a little bit of rumble to your Fox body Mustang. Commonly also known as dumps, this is MagnaFlow's turn-down style exhaust system fitting all 1986 through 2004 V8 Mustangs. There's a couple reasons to go with a turn-down. One of the more common ones is rear suspension. If you have an IRS swapped into your car, you have a large anti-roll bar, any kind of a drag bar on the back of it, anti-roll bar, big sway bar, a lot of times there's just not room for tailpipes. But honestly, one of the most common reasons people go with this is the sound. A turn-down system like this system from MagnaFlow is going to give you a nice, deep, rich, loud tone, which a lot of people like. This system, like all MagnaFlow, is full stainless steel, 2.5-inch pipes, and will be a direct replacement for your factory catback exhaust. For this installation, a lift or a jack and jack stands, 3/8 ratchet, 5/8 socket, 15mm socket, and an exhaust hanger removal tool. Now our 90LX has obviously had several different aftermarket exhaust systems on it already, so what we're going to do now is show you some quick stock footage of how to remove the stock style catback, and then we'll begin the installation of our MagnaFlow turndowns. Now if by some chance you still do have your factory exhaust on your car, or perhaps you have the factory exhaust and somebody welded in a set of Flowmasters back in the day, what you'll have to do is cut right here to separate the tailpipe and remove the front section and back section. Like I said, our car has an aftermarket system which has bolt-on tailpipes, so we can separate them and remove the whole system. Our Fox body obviously has an aftermarket H-pipe, and honestly, who has a stock Fox body anyway? We're sure most of you guys have aftermarket pipes, but this offset is going to be the same whether it's stock or original. What you want to do is we're going to start with the mid pipe, grab the longer one, which should go on the shorter offset side. Grab your original hardware. Get it hand tight for now. You want it tight enough that it stays in place. We are going to make plenty of adjustments before we're finished. All right, now we're ready to grab our passenger side muffler. Now the passenger side muffler, this hanger here will be shorter. The driver's side one looks the same way, but this is about a solid inch longer. The shorter one for the passenger side. Make sure you grab a clamp. Slide it over the mid pipe and then up into the factory hanger. Now grab the tip and another clamp and just slide that on. Now that's going to be really close to the rear axle. Obviously our suspension is hanging right here, but basically there's a lot of places to be legal. The exhaust has to exit at the rear axle or further back. So have this dump out pretty much right at the rear axle to give you the best chance at being legal. Okay, with everything installed, now we can go back and tighten it up and make some adjustments. Make sure you tighten these evenly. Okay, you want to repeat the process on the other side and the installation is finished. Our MagnaFlow turndowns fit great, were easy to install, but now let's hear how they sound. one of my favorite sounding exhausts on a Mustang is a good set of turn downs. You get a nice deep tone inside the car, and they just sound really, really good, especially with the cam. Might just be my personal opinion, but I've always loved the sound of a Fox body with dumps. Man, this thing sounds absolutely amazing, especially with a small cam in it. As far as the installation goes, they're very easy to install. You have tons of room to work around there. You don't have to worry about lining up tailpipes. Again, a very simple installation, take you less than an hour. Be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.